YouTube? Back with another video today. We got a lot planned this year. I'm trying to get more videos put out. I know I've been gone for a minute, so bear with me, but I've been working, y'all. I've been grinding. I hope you guys are all good. I hope everything is all well. And yeah, man, we're just gonna do another ride along, hear these beautiful exhaust noises, cruise through the city a little bit, and then we're going to, end the video. So I'm gonna try to get a good long video for y'all. I know it's been a long minute, so I appreciate all y'all for tuning back in to the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get it back going, especially with these trips coming up. I'm gonna get y'all with the ride-alongs and everything. And yeah, so yeah, let's do it. Put y'all on like right now. These tacos smack crazy. Right here on this corner, I'm gonna go in. Alright, there's some LA stuff right here. If you don't know this taco spot, you're not from LA. No, I'm playing. But this right here is some really good tacos. Rico's Tacos El Tío. This is my place. Hold on, let me order real quick. I'll get back to y'all.
Hate me or love me, you watched. That's all you could do. Thank you.